Welcome to this high protein vegan meal prep. Today we're going to make a noodle and tofu stir fry with an amazing sweet chili sauce. One portion includes 45 grams of protein and 752 calories, but you can of course adjust the portion size to your liking. Full macros are in the end screen of this video if you're interested, and the recipe are in the description box below in a few different languages. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing and leave a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. The ingredients that we are going to use are 750 grams of firm or extra firm tofu, 350 grams of noodles of your choice. I used regular wheat noodles because I couldn't find with whole wheat, but if you can, I recommend using the whole wheat version instead. Then we have 4 bell peppers, choose your favorite colors. We have 2 carrots and 200 grams of sugar snap peas. For topping, we have 150 grams of cashews and some coriander, also called cilantro. For the sauce, we need 2.5 deciliter or 1 cup of sweet chili sauce. Try to find without or with reduced amount of sugar. Then we have 4 tablespoons of soy sauce and 4 tablespoons of Ketjap Manis, which is a sweet, thick soy sauce. If you can't find it, use 4 more tablespoons of dark soy sauce. We also need 3 tablespoons neutral oil, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame oil, and 6 tablespoons fresh lime juice, which usually is about 3 limes. So we'll start off with the tofu that we're going to marinate. So cut it into cubes. The smaller the cubes, the less taste of tofu and the more taste of the sauce. For the sauce, start with cutting the limes. Press out the lime juice and mix it with the sweet chili sauce, soy sauce, ketchup manis, the vegetable oil, and the toasted sesame oil, and whisk together. Now pour some of the sauce over the tofu and make sure to get the tofu thoroughly coated. Let it marinate for at least half an hour, but preferably overnight. We're going to roast the bell pepper in the oven and then peel the skin off for a sweeter and deeper flavor. This takes a bit of time, so you can buy jar roasted pepper or simply use them as they are, but I recommend going the extra mile because the flavor you will get out by roasting is really amazing. Put the peppers into the oven at 250 degrees Celsius or 480 Fahrenheit. With skin side up and let them go black. Usually it takes around 20 to 40 minutes. While the pepper's in the oven, cut the carrots into strips and cut the sugar snap peas at an angle in half. Boil the noodles according to the instructions on the package. So this is how the peppers look when they are roasted. You don't have to roast them as hard as I did here, but they are easier to peel when they are black. So peel off the skin and the flesh now looks like this. When all the peppers are peeled, cut it into chunks. We start the stir fry with frying the tofu to get a crispy surface. When the tofu is crispy, add the noodles, carrots, sugar snap peas, roasted pepper, some sauce, and combine. Depending on the size of your pan, you may need to fry a few times for the whole batch. If you're going to reheat your meal in a microwave oven, then I recommend not to add the sugar snaps now and instead put them in a separate container, as they will look pretty boring after being reheated that way. All that's left now is to roast the cashews in a dry pan. I divided this batch into 5 containers, but feel free to make the portions as big or small as you like. Put the cashews in a separate container to keep them crispy and you are good to go. I release high protein vegan meal preps like this one every weekend, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss any of my coming videos. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and I'll see you next week.